today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Equate Warm Mist Humidifier with just a few simple steps. If yours isn't working quite right, don't worry. This process is quick, safe, and usually fixes the most common issues. First, turn off the humidifier and unplug it from the wall. The safest way to start and prevents any accidents. Next, take off the water tank and empty out any remaining water. This helps avoid spills and gives you a fresh start for the reset. While the tank is off, take a close look inside the base of the unit. If you see any mineral buildup, dust, or debris, clean it out carefully. Even a small amount of scale can interfere with how the humidifier functions. Now, locate the reset button. On most Equate models, it's a small button near the bottom or side of the base. You might need a paperclip or a small tool to press it. Press and hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds. This will reset the unit back to its default settings and usually clears up issues like no mist, blinking warning lights, or intermittent operation. After that, plug the humidifier back in and wait a few seconds before turning it on. You should see the indicator lights stabilize and the warm mist starting to flow normally. If it doesn't work right away, try repeating the reset one more time and make sure the tank is seated correctly. It's also a good idea to check that the water is clean and free from impurities before refilling the tank, as dirty water can cause malfunctions or odors. Make sure the humidifier is placed on a flat, stable surface for optimal performance in the tank, as this can trigger automatic shutoff features. If your humidifier still isn't working after the reset, double check that the heating element is clean and unobstructed. Regularly descaling the unit with vinegar or a manufacturer recommended solution can prevent buildup and extend its lifespan. Always follow the safety instructions in your user manual to avoid accidents or damage. Once everything is set, your humidifier should be running smoothly and producing a warm, comfortable mist that improves the air quality in your room. With just a few minutes of care, you can make sure your Equate Warm Mist Humidifier works efficiently for many seasons to come. Happy using!